Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. This one I'm going to do a little panda, so a very easy panda bear. So again, the equipment that you're going to be using for this one, obviously some pencils if you like, any size, any HB, 6B, doesn't matter, whatever you got laying around the house. Again, a rubber just to rub out any lines that you may make a mistake with, and coloured pencils. I mean, obviously this time a panda bear is black, so I'm going to just be using a black marker for pretty much all of this thing. But I'm also going to introduce a flexi curve. This is just for if you want to get some curves that you're unable to think you're going to do a nice straight line on. You can use one of these. You can pick them up anywhere. I mean, Officeworks, art stores, you name it. But I'm going to introduce this for this drawing, just to step up the game a little bit. It's up to you if you want to use it or not, but it's they're available. And they're pretty cool if you like to drawing lots of curvature moves. Alright, so yeah, first part of the panda is to draw the head. It's a oblong egg football type of shape. You could use the curvature to curve to do this, to wrap it around. I might even try. Let's see. I was going to use it for something else, but because I know the parts of my drawing. So if you just draw in the curvature or something, nice round circle like that. And then you can just obviously turn it upside down and do the same thing around there. But I'm going to continue hand drawing mine because I want mine to be on football like so. I mean, it's a bit skew-iffy because I use that half and half, but I'm actually using this for the body right here so I get even sides of my arrow. For this next part, obviously I'm just going to fix up that thing and draw the ears like so. And then where I was going to use this, I was going to draw it so this way I get the shoulders at the same area, and I'm just going to hold that there, draw a line right here and draw a line down here. That's where I was going to use that curvature, and you can see that the elbows and things are at the same area. Now what we want to do is we want to draw a little loop on the side of these to about there on each side, so we're pretty much mirroring our panda bear sections. Now I want to draw a couple of circles again for his feet. So one circle like so. And again over the other side here we join that line up there like that, and voila, like that. Next I want to do is I want to thicken the feet. So I'm just going to make it like so. This one's going to be more complicated drawing than the last ones, just because we're stepping up your game a little bit. I want to join these two up here, and I want to just a little backwards curve on this to the other side of the foot like so. And then obviously a panda bear's belly is white. We're just going to do a little line down from here to here, exactly the same over here. And then a curvature up over here, so just like a little hill. So I'm going to come in a little bit, and then I'm going to up it a bit, and then I'm going to come down a bit and join there. Can you see the body that's forming now? Now the next part, I just want to do the inside of the panda feet, because we all know what pets look like underneath. They got these little pads on the thing, so voila, like that. And next we do the fun part, the eyes again, and I just draw another big long circles. You know, panda bears' eyes are really long, so we do another circle like so, and over here another circle like so. Because they're big, fat, and they got big white eyes around it, we can go and do some small ones inside like so. Now we need the pupils, so I'm going to draw some pupils in here for him like that. Now the good thing about some of these drawings is you're going to colour this in, it might not look right. And I've made a mistake, okay? I've made a little mistake. Oh no, what I'm going to do, and I want this bigger, because of Panda Bear and it's all black, we're going to be using the same colour. We can actually just etch over your line a bit more and go, that's more defined. More, it brings out what I want in a Panda Bear. Like so. So you don't have to worry about doing, that's the beauty of drawing a pencil. You can get these shapes right. Alright, now all we need to do is the nose and the mouth, which is just a normal smiley face, up one side, down next side. And the fun part now is the colour. That's all we need to do. Alright, let's fast colour. How did you go? I mean, this was an easy one, and the beauty about having black drawings or fully black areas, you can obviously make a lot of mistakes, but then you can fix it up. So when the final product, it looks perfect. Alright, so if you like these tutorials, you want me to keep going, please subscribe. It would be great to know who enjoys these. You want further instructions or further in depth, let me know, but please, I'll see you tomorrow for the next one.